This model kit review is of the Focke Wulf Fw-190. It's a German World War II plane, and it's by ARII Plastic Models. It's a 1/48 scale model, and here we have some artwork showing the different versions. And let's have a look inside. So first of all, we'll take a look at our screws. Here's our clear plastic, which is a little rough, not very well molded, but some flashing here. This sprue here has the fuselage. We do have some recessed panel lines there and some surface detail. And here's our engine cover, stabilizers. Here it looks like part of our engine. And nose cowl, the front of the cowl. We have our propeller, spinner. Here's our seat, cockpit with some details there. And we have our guns, landing gear covers. And then we have our wheels here and fuel tanks. Here's our instrument panel, not a lot of detail there. And then we also have a pilot figure. This pilot figure is quite large. It's got some mold lines, as you can see there. On the inside here, there's no real detail of the cockpit. Here's our wings with the wheel wells there. It's got some surface detail. Molding quality is actually quite good. And here are our decals. Not too many of them. And then over here is the painting and decal guide. Well, actually, you've probably got a more definitive guide here. So first of all, here we have the parts listing. And there's the actual painting and decal guide. And then we have the instructions. Start off with the cockpit. Put that into the fuselage along with the tail wheel, engine cover. Put the wings and stabilizer on. And then the remaining parts of the cockpit, tanks and guns. And landing gear goes on, and we also have the engine and propeller. That all goes on, as well as the canopy, and then finally we're done. So all in all, cockpit has some detail, not a lot, pretty well molded, not a lot of decals.